You have to tell the person 10 times in order to actually say that you've told the person. You have to wash it in order to distinguish whether it's a diamond or a piece of glass. If you learn the rule of have it your way, then you can say that you have mastered sales marketing. Atomy business is not difficult at all. It's actually very easy. But it seems difficult because you don't fully understand the principles or because you are not familiar with them. For example, those who have been farming their entire life would think that it is tough, but not difficult. But if you have been living in the city and then suddenly are asked to shovel or hoe, you are not familiar with it, and so it will be difficult for you to do. But if you learn how to work, it becomes extremely easy. When you're saying something to someone, you have to tell that person 10 times in order to actually say that you've told the person. Keeping this principle in your mind, you have to think to yourself that you should invite a person 10 times to a seminar if you want to invite the person to a seminar. The person listening to you will feel as if he's only heard it once. I must be quite good at Atomy business, right? But do you think I knocked down every person I met with one blow? Nope. There are so many who don't listen to me, you know? But it doesn't really matter. Why? Because there's at least one person among them who listens. You never know who will listen to you, so you just have to go around talking to people. There was a time when I first started this business in Australia in 1992. Back then, I thought in my mind, okay, so I'm going to talk to this person, and this person, and this person will listen, and this one, and that one will probably decline. And I thought about how it should go all night long. And then when I talked to them, there were instances in which their responses were totally different from what I'd imagined. So, whether you say it or not depends on you. But whether they decide to participate in the business, use the product or not, they should have it their way. So I found this rule. This rule of have it your way. Rule of have it your way. Have it your way. So I just continued talking about it. Let's do this business. Try this product. I should continue telling them, letting them think of themselves and decide. I would just relax and think, have it your way. Even if you decline, I have many more to meet and talk about this with, and so I'm at ease, and the person who learned about it is left there to think. So once you learn this rule of have it your way, then you have mastered sales marketing. This business is actually very easy. It's all about talking about it constantly. Let's do business, try the product, participate in the seminar, and among the people you least expected to participate, one comes to the seminar. And then wow, how on earth? They are born to do this. You find them excelling in this business. In a way, it is similar to a diamond in the rough. We should first wash it in order to find out if it's a diamond or a piece of glass. We have to take it and wash it. You have to place it here. If you place them here, you'll find these diamonds. As you engage more in the business, you'll find it difficult. But do not think that the business itself is difficult. You feel that way because you're not used to it. There is a solution to making the unfamiliar familiar. That is, just doing it. Just do it. Just do the unfamiliar. And eventually, you'll get used to it.